Local news for Thursday, the 26th of March. Last Saturday, it was announced that a Carterton District Council staff member was confirmed as a case of COVID-19. All close contacts from the staff member's social group have been tested, and both locally and in the Kapiti area, and have received negative results. As a precaution, 9 members of the Carterton District Council who were identified as being close contact, or 9 staff members have results that have come back negative. Due to the progress of COVID-19, Easter Surf lifesaving patrols have been cancelled, while the team expect to be back in action at Labour weekend. And as part of the national response to COVID-19 Alert 4, Metlink will now make all rail and bus services free until June. Public transport will continue to be available for essential service workers and to enable communities to benefit while accessing supermarkets, pharmacies and health facilities. From today, services on the Wairarapa line will be replaced by bus, with a special weekend bus timetable available. Kia ora. For local news, I'm Brent Gare. Right here, all the way through, on Wairarapa's 89.5 and 105.9 FM at Castle Point of Riversdale, MoreFM.